Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? N plus or plus TH, north. P plus pole, pole, North Pole. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Boy, we're into the spirit of the season, but people in our audience have been into the eggnog a little early, I think. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and we are decorated up for the holiday season, and this is a good time to go Christmas shopping for our contestants. The man on my right has already done that. He has won $7,243 in prizes, and his name is Tim Kessel. Hiya, Tim. Now, in case you missed our shows the other day, Tim is a struggling writer, and I do mean struggling. Things haven't been going all that well, so these prizes that you've won now will help tide you over for a while, correct?
Yeah, tide me over till next year, and then maybe I won't be struggling anymore.
If you aren't able to pursue a career in comedy writing, what would you like to do?
Game show host.
Okay. Use a haircut, Tim. Let's meet your opponent in this game today. Marcy James is her name. Hiya, Marcy. Now, where are you from?
Well, I just moved here from Portland, Oregon. And
Wait a minute. Did you hear that, folks? Marcy just moved to Los Angeles from Portland, Oregon. She's going against the trend. Everybody from down here is moving up there.
Well, yeah, I have to be different. There you go.
What do you do?
Well, I'm a film student at Cal Arts, and I'm the president of the Brady Bunch Fan Club. Woo!
Okay, Marcy, I wouldn't say that too loud. You ready to play?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, Brady Bunch was a fun show. Take a look over here. Lovely jewelry for you.
Part of the Herbert Goldberg collection, elegant diamond earrings crafted in 14-karat gold. These earrings sparkle with over 1 carat of brilliant diamonds, a classic look for any woman's wardrobe. Furnished by the Herbert Goldberg Company. Alex.
That stuff is looking good with all those star filters going there, Mark. Marcy and Tim, take a look on our board, and we will show you where you will find the diamond earrings at number 5. We also have a vacation in Hawaii and Waikiki Beach. And Marcy, you go first, please.
Okay, let's try to find that trip under number 12.
12 is a ceiling fan.
How about right above it at number 7?
Might be, but no. Hardwood flooring. Tim Kessel.
All right, I want to go to Waikiki. Let's look under number 17.
Waikiki Beach vacation.
Oh, okay. 22, please.
22. Is it a wild card? Is it anything
No.
good? It's a pool table. No match, but a good prize. Marcy.
Okay, right dead center number 13.
Chocolates.
Chocolates. Okay, number 25.
No, red take. Tim.
All right, let's try to match up Waikiki behind number 6.
Wild card.
Okay. Okay, and the beach behind number 17.
Number 17 for the Waikiki Beach vacation.
All right.
Natural match occurring down the line at number 20. 3 doors opening up. There are still 2 wild cards in play, of course. Tim, I don't think you're going to be able to solve this at this point. Pick again.
All right, let's look behind number 10.
Bedroom set.
Okay, we haven't seen it yet. Let's check out number 5.
Diamond earrings. No match. Marcy.
Okay, let's try to open up the board in number 18.
Diamond earrings.
Number 5 for the match! Woo! Yeah!
All right, let's open it up for Marcy.
Okay, we're gonna look for a take here. I want Waikiki. Number 1.
Bedroom set.
We saw that number 10.
Yes.
Woo!
All right. Take a look, Marcy.
Looks like Mike and Carol over there on the side.
Not only into the eggnog, but plum pudding.
Okay, let's go number 9. Microwave oven. Okay, number 19 for the match.
Chocolates.
Oh,
No match. Tim.
Chocolates. Is that number 22?
Is that where it is? No, that's a pool table.
Okay, let's try to match that up. Number 23.
23, right next door. Hardwood flooring. No match. Marcy?
Okay, number 9 for the chocolates. No, the microwave. And number 23 for the microwave. Oh, I saw that. I know where that's at.
You saw that and you know where it's at.
Yeah.
Okay, now the flooring was behind number 7.
Is that where it was?
And number 23.
23 is a match. Yes, hardwood flooring. Why do I get the feeling I'm losing control of this game with Marcy and Tim here? Take a look at the puzzle, Tim, and see what happens now. Go again.
All right, let's see what's behind number 2.
35 millimeter camera outfit.
We haven't seen that yet. Let's check out number 8.
Green tape, no match. Marcy.
Okay, chocolates, 25.
Yeah?
No, red tape. Okay, let's try to match on number 14. Oh, the pool table. I saw that too. Oh.
I remember where I saw it. Number 22.
Tim remembers. 22, he says.
And number 14.
14. Thank you, Marcy.
All right.
I don't know. Pool table doors, open up. Go again.
All right, let's look behind number 3.
3 is a good number. Red tape.
Do you see that behind number 19?
No.
No.
Chocolates.
Chocolates, and Marcy remembers.
13.
13 for chocolates.
19. Woo!
For chocolates. I get tired just watching you make selections. 2 doors opening up for Marcy James.
She got foot odor or something. Okay.
She has foot odor.
Look at those. Okay, number 4.
4.
We need to open up the board under number 9. Yay!
Marcy, pick a number. Oh, you picked one. You picked number 9. You got the microwave oven. The other microwave oven is at 16. 3 more doors opening up for you. You got a lot of good prizes up there, Marcy. Can you solve it? In spite of her foot odor? No? All right, go again.
Okay, number 11.
Wow.
Okay. Number 15. Ceiling fan. Okay. All right.
Ceiling fan. The other ceiling fan, ladies and gentlemen, is at number 12. Let's open these 3 panels.
Jitterbug.
You know what she said, folks, just before the buzzer? She said, "Jitterbug!" Marcy. Over there, go.
There's Jay and Hit. Bobby always played like baseball. Tear, Jitter, and Bee, and Hug. Mike and Carol. Jitterbug.
Don't worry, folks. She'll cheer up before the end of the program. Tim, you've just gotten your 2nd strike. It's a little sort of Santa there, but it's 2 against you, and that means we have to say goodbye. However, you are going away with a lovely vacation and over $7,000 in prizes. Congratulations. Happy holidays to you, Tim. So long. Okay, Marcy, don't scream in my ear now. Don't scream. Just watch the monitor as Gene tells you about all of these fabulous prizes. Go, Gene.
A ceiling fan, a microwave oven, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a microwave oven or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and chocolates. Perone will surprise you throughout the year with a dream gift of chocolate-covered popcorn, chocolate pizza, and mousse truffle chocolates, gifts for the most discerning connoisseur. furnished by Perron Chocolatier, and a bedroom set. Bassett's Old World bedroom set with its warm cherry finish includes a single dresser with an oval mirror, a 6-drawer chest, a sleigh bed with wood rails, and 2 nightstands, furnished by Bassett Furniture, and, of course, the beautiful diamond earrings. And Marcy, get ready. America, plug your ears, because Marcy, you have just won prizes totaling $4,068.
Didn't bother me at all this time. I'm on top of this. Has she stopped screaming? We'll be back right after this. You think Marcy is excited now? Wait till you see her if she wins a brand new car. And here are the 15 numbered squares that will help her to do that. Marcy, you're dealing with base time, you know. 35 seconds on the clock, so good luck. Off you go.
1-3.
No.
4-6.
No again.
7-9.
No.
10-12.
No.
6. 13.
No.
14. 4.
No.
15. 7.
Yes.
5. 12.
No.
6. 10.
Yeah. No.
4. 11.
No.
6. 11.
Yep.
2. 5.
Nope.
4. 5.
You're selling a scoop is not a match, but you've got $4,068. You are the champ, and you're going to face a new challenger when we return right after this. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. A new player to introduce. He's on my right. His name is Carlos Sanchez. Hello, Carlos.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Whittier, California.
How many generations back in Southern California with a name like Sanchez?
Just one.
Just one?
Yeah.
Where are your folks from originally?
My mom is from Juarez and my dad's from Guadalajara.
Guadalajara. All right, you ready to play our game?
I'm ready to play.
Take a look over here, and we will show you and Marcy a lovely prize for Game 2.
This beautiful English country hutch will enhance the display of your china and bric-a-brac while providing 6 drawers of ample storage space furnished by Charles & Charles. Alex.
And that lovely prize can be found on the game board at number 6, the kitchen hutch. We have $600 in the cash pot in this game. We have the 5 bonus car seconds, of course, and we have a Caribbean cruise. Now, all of you know, I'm sure, this is the Christmas season, and you probably run into a great deal of this stuff. What is this, Carlos?
Cotton?
Cotton, yes. I'm just going to take a little piece of cotton here, and I'm going to put it in my left ear. No, you're okay over there, because I sort of will block the sound waves from getting by. You get to pick first. There's the cotton on Marcy's side. Don't worry, folks. I will still be able to hear her. Carlos,
well, let's
pick.
look for that Caribbean cruise under number 13.
Red take.
Red take. And let's go for a match under number 10.
Hey, how about that? Woo! Boy, oh boy, there's a red take for you. A little bit of insurance for later on. Take a look. Pick again, Carlos.
Okay, let's go for the Caribbean cruise under number 8.
Green take.
Green take. Let's go for a match for the take under number 17.
Diamond and garnet pendant. No match for you, so we go to Marcy.
Okay, let's try number 19.
Diamond and garnet
got
pendant.
17.
17 is right. Yes. Match for the young lady and a chance to look at the puzzle as well. Select again.
3. Caribbean cruise!
Yes.
Oh, we haven't seen it. Number 21.
Refrigerator, freezer.
Okay.
Select again.
Let's find another Caribbean cruise under number 1.
Cash pot.
Cash pot. Oh, I could go for that. Let's try the match for that under number 20.
Wild card, so there's a shot at the cash pot for you, Carlos. The other cash pot's on the board at number 7. 3 doors going to open up for you. But first, I want to ask you if you want to use the take to grab the diamond pendant.
I'll hold on to it. I'll hold on to it.
Okay. All right, study the puzzle for a moment. Go again.
Okay, let's go for number 5.
Men's fashion sweaters.
Men's fashion sweaters, and the match for that under number 16.
No, green take. Marcy.
Okay, number 23.
Gotta
Number
be-
3! 3!
Right. Caribbean cruise. Are we running out of time? I can't. Is the audience still there? 2 doors, open them up. Marcy, solve this puzzle. Select again.
Okay, number 14. 5 bonus. Okay, number 11.
Handcrafted area rug, no match. Carlos?
Okay, let's see what's under number 6.
Kitchen hutch.
Kitchen hutch. And let's see, we haven't seen number 4.
Men's fashion sweaters.
Okay,
Marcy.
number 4 for the men's fashion sweaters and number 5 for the match.
Yes. That's it. Another match for Marcy. Let's open it up. I'm protecting myself, that's all. It's self-defense, believe me. All right, Marcy.
Okay.
Select again.
Let's look under number 16. We haven't seen that. A
Green
tape.
tape.
Oh, is that at number 12?
No.
No.
Stargazing telescope. Carlos.
Let's see, let's go for number 15.
Refrigerator freezer.
And the match for that under number 21.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, you've got the tape. She's got the Caribbean cruise. She got the diamond pendant.
I think I'll take the Caribbean cruise.
All righty. Caribbean cruise. Give it to Carlos and show him these 2 pieces of our puzzle.
Is it parallel parking?
Parallel parking. Yes, it is. All right, Carlos, let's go to the board.
Okay, we've got the pair up here with an all and the L plus, so it's pair, all L. And a P down here with Noah's Ark, little animals, and the king, parking, parallel parking.
Congratulations, well done. You've got a victory, and Marcy has 1 strike against her only, and that means she will play again, and we will see you soon, Marcy. But right now, let's go to Gene and find out what Carlos has won. Gene.
A cash pot worth $600 and a refrigerator freezer. The RCA No Frost refrigerator features a spacious interior with adjustable glass shelves designed for easy cleaning, extra deep door bins, store gallon-sized containers furnished by RCA, and a Caribbean cruise. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality. Furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll embark on a 6-day Windjammer barefoot cruise. Casual sailing adventure in the exotic Caribbean for both old salts and landlubbers. Take off your shoes and sail away to paradise. Furnished by Windjammer Barefoot Cruises. And Carlos, you have won a prize package worth, as we say in Spanish, mucho terrifico, $5,143.
Mucho terrifico.
Mucho terrifico.
We'll be back. Sanchez played that game beautifully, and he's in the winner's circle for his first time. So he'll have base time on the clock. Let's put the numbers up there. And 35 seconds for you, Carlos. Good luck. Let's see you win a car.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No again.
1, 6.
Yes.
7, 8.
No.
9, 10.
No.
11, 3.
Yes.
12, 7.
Yes.
13, 15.
No.
14, 8.
No.
5, 2.
No.
15, 4.
Yep.
9,
But you're running
10.
out of time. You're running out of time. Had a little bit of trouble there. You were going great guns for a while, but hey, you've won $5,143 in prizes, including that lovely Caribbean cruise. Oh, yeah. And you get to play again. We'll take a break right now, though. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive limited edition Ray-Ban precious metal sunglasses by Bausch & Lomb. Feature rare metals and 24-karat gold frames with changeable lenses, available in gray, black, or white. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Marjorie's found a wonderful friend. It's a Santa Claus hand puppet. She's going to work up a little routine right now while I tell the folks about the advantages of the Classic Concentration home game. I'll tell you what, you can have a lot of fun on your own playing Classic Concentration at home, and it will really be a big benefit to you if you are planning to try out for our program, because practice does indeed make perfect. What's Santa trying to say? Get one of these for Christmas? Is that what he's saying? Ho, ho, ho. Boy, you're a great ad-libber, Marjorie. Ho, ho, ho. Get that, folks? Come back tomorrow and she'll have more wonderful ad-libs. See you then.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.